So you might be in a situation where your particular iPhone is just not opening up a certain file. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. Now, the very first thing I recommend doing is making your way over to your Files application of your particular iPhone, and you'll come right into here. The first thing you're going to want to make sure is to make sure that file was completely downloaded on your particular device. There are chances where sometimes, like if you have like an iCloud file like this and it wasn't, uploaded properly, you may not be able to open up that file because you're not on internet. So usually if you see like a little iCloud icon right next to that file, if you're not on internet or if you're on airplane mode or something like that and you tap onto that file, it's not going to be able to open because as you can see, you had to download it. You could see it downloaded before it opened it up. So that right there is a very big thing. If you're going through, like for example, if I go and put my phone in airplane mode right here, and if I go and try opening up this file, it's not going to be able to open it because it says it needs to connect to the server, yada, yada, yada. So that's a problem that I'm probably going to run into. So that in and of itself is the first thing to kind of keep in mind. Now, on top of that, your iPhone also needs to make sure that it is a supported, file. If you're trying to open up some like a random file that's like unsupported, this in and of itself can be one of the problems that you're going to run into. So the other thing I'd recommend doing is just going through and just making sure that it is a supported file. So don't try to, install like an APK file on your iPhone or like an IPA file yet, unless you have, third-party support to where you can download and install apps. If it's not a supported application or it's not a supported file type, it's not going to open up on your iPhone either. .exe files, .dmg files, those things are not going to open up on your iPhone either, so keep that in mind. Now, if it's still not working, another thing you can do is restart your iPhone. So hold down the buttons that you normally would to restart your device, and you can also try updating your iPhone too. If those things are running, if you're running into those issues, just try updating your iPhone, and that could very well end up fixing the problem as well. So those are basically the main ways to go and fix the problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.